Dear students, today we are to study past indefinite tense. Yesterday we completed present indefinite. In past indefinite, in Hindi sentences, था था, थी, थे और या, ई, ए और आ, ई, ए like words or sound is there in the end of the word. अर्थात हिंदी वाक्यों में क्रिया के अंत में था था, थी, थे अर्थात या, ई, ए या फिर आ, ई, ए ये ध्वनियां आती हैं तो समझ जाना चाहिए कि यह वाक्य पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में है। चलिए देखते हैं इनको हम अंग्रेजी में कैसे ट्रांसलेट करते हैं। यहाँ देख रहे हैं, राम पत्र लिखता है या फिर राम ने पत्र लिखा। राम wrote a letter. So understand, in past indefinite tense, the verb is used in second form, and this sentence is an affirmative sentence. So in an affirmative sentence, subject plus second form of the verb plus object. That is the sequence of the words. Now come to the next sentence. Geeta bazaar gayi. Here this sentence also shows that it is in past indefinite tense. Geeta went to market. Here went is the second form of go. नेक्स्ट वन, हरीश ने गीत गाया। गाया, गाया इज द एंड ऑफ द वर्ब। सो हरीश sang a song, अर्थात सीक्वेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस object. This is the system for an affirmative sentence. Now, let's see the negative sentences. गीता स्कूल नहीं गई. Here, in Hindi, नहीं शब्द का प्रयोग है. तो जब हम इसे पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, देन सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट इफ द वर्ब इज ट्रांसलेट। हियर टू स्कूल इज नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्ट, इट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू द वर्ब गो। So let's see. Geeta did not go to school, and here the verb is in first form. So understand, when did is used, the verb comes in first form, and that's why Geeta did not go to school. Now come to the next sentence. Mr. Sharma ने पाठ नहीं पढ़ाया. Here Mr. Sharma is the subject, part that is the object, नहीं पढ़ाया, पढ़ाया is the verb and नहीं is to be used for negative. Mr. Sharma did not teach the lesson, and again here did not is used and the first form of the verb is used. And other sentence is also there. Radha lived in Mumbai. This is again in present indefinite, past indefinite, sorry. It is again in past indefinite, but this sentence is affirmative. So keep in mind, Radha lived in Mumbai, and here the verb is in second form. So I think you have understood that in past indefinite tense, if the sentence is affirmative, we are to use subject plus second form of the verb plus object. And in negative sentences, we are to use subject plus did not plus first form of the verb and then object if it is there. So understand, if did is used, the verb is not used in second form, it is used in first form, because did is the indication of past tense. As in present indefinite, we used does not or do not, and here in past indefinite we use did not only, and therefore verb comes in first form. So now note it down, and I give you some sentences for translation in past indefinite tense. Number 1. रामगढ़ में एक राजा रहता था. रामगढ़ में एक राजा रहता था. नंबर 2. मेरे पिताजी प्रतिदिन टहलने जाते थे. नेक्स्ट. हरीश कल विद्यालय नहीं गया. नेक्स्ट वन. मोहन ने अपना गृह कार्य नहीं किया. मोहन ने अपना गृह कार्य नहीं किया. नेक्स्ट वन. गीता ने एक सांप मारा. गीता ने एक सांप मारा. ओके, tomorrow we shall study the use of interrogative sentences in past indefinite. Thank you.